Hello everyone, this is me, Teacher Alexis, and welcome to Math Class. In today's video, we are going to learn about equation of a line. We will find the equation of a line using different given. Example number 1. Write the equation of the line that passes through 1, 2, and 3, 8. In our problem, the given are 2 points, 1, 2, and 3, 8. We can represent them as x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. If 2 points are given, to get the equation of the line, we can use the formula of the 2-point form. Y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times the quantity x minus x sub 1. To find the equation of the line, we can just substitute the value of x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2 in our formula. Let us start with y sub 1. The value of y sub 1 is 2. The value of y sub 2 is 8. Minus the value of y sub 1 is 2. Over the value of x sub 2 is 3. Minus the value of x sub 1 is 1. Times the quantity x minus the value of x sub 1 is 1. We come up with this. All we have to do is to simplify this part first. So we will copy this, y minus 2 equals, and then we will simplify this. 8 minus 2, the answer is 6. 3 minus 1, the answer is 2. We will copy the last part times the quantity x minus 1. We can still simplify 6 over 2 because 6 divided by 2 is 3. So we come up with y minus 2 equals 3 times the quantity x minus 1. As you can see, we can multiply this part by using the distributive property. We can just copy y minus 2 equals, using distributive property, 3 times x is 3x, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. So we have y minus 2 equals 3x minus 3. Let us answer this by using the slope-intercept form, wherein y is at the left side of the equation and the rest at the right side of the equation. So we are going to remove negative 2 in the left side. All we have to do is to think of its additive inverse. Okay, the additive inverse of negative 2 is positive 2. We need to add it on the left side as well as on the right side because we have just used APE or addition property of equality. We have this, y minus 2 plus 2 equals 3x minus 3 plus 2. Let's now combine like terms. Negative 2 plus positive plus 2 is equal to 0. The remaining variable or term in the left side is just y. On the other side, we have 3x and then we will simplify. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. So therefore, the equation of the line given 1, 2, and 3, 8 is y is equal to 3x minus 1. This equation is in slope-intercept form. So if, for example, in your problem, the question is write your equation in standard form, we can rewrite this in standard form. The standard form of y equals 3x minus 1 is 3x minus y equals 1. Example number 2. Find the equation of the line with a slope of 2 and a y-intercept of 5. In our problem, the given are m equals 2. Slope is represented by small m, and we have y-intercept of 5, and that is represented by small b. If our given is a slope and a y-intercept, we can use our formula for the slope-intercept form, y is equal to mx plus b. Because here, we can just substitute the value of m and b to find the equation. So we have mx, we will substitute the value of m as 2, plus The value of b is 5. So therefore, this is our equation. Y is equal to 2x plus 5. This is equation in the slope-intercept form. But what if, in the given problem, you are asked to get the equation in standard form? The standard form of this equation is 2x minus y equals negative 5. Example number 3. Find the equation of the line with x-intercept 2 and y-intercept 6. In our problem, the values are x-intercept 2. X-intercept is represented by small a, and y-intercept is represented by small b, b equals 6. If the given is x-intercept and y-intercept, we can use the formula intercepts form. X over a plus y over b equals 1. So let us write first the given formula. Okay, all we have to do here is to substitute the value of a and b, and in our given, letter a is 2. Letter B is 6. So we have x over 2 plus y over 6 equals 1. For us to find the equation of the line, okay, so in this case, we are going to find the LCD. Okay, so the LCD will be 6. We will multiply both sides of the equation by the LCD 6. Okay, so let's have 6 times x over 2. We have 6x over 2. Okay, next is we will multiply 6 times y over 6. That will be 6y over 6 equals. We will multiply this. 1 times 6 is 6. We come up with 6x over 2 plus 6y over 6 equals 6. We can just simplify this too. 6x over 2 or 6x divided by 2, we have 3x. 6y divided by 6, we have y equals 6. This is now the equation of the line. As you can see, this equation of the line is in standard form. If, for example, in the given problem, you are asked to get the equation of the line in slope-intercept form, the slope-intercept form of 3x plus y equals 6 is y equals negative 3x plus 6. Next example, we have find the equation of the line with a slope of negative 4 that passes through 1, negative 2. In our problem, the given are m is equal to negative 4 and a point 1, negative 2 that can be represented by x sub 1, y sub 1. If the given is a slope and a point, we can use the point slope form. Y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. From our formula, we can substitute the value of the slope and the point. The value of y sub 1 is negative 2 equals the value of m is negative 4 times the quantity x minus the value of x sub 1 is 1. We come up with y minus negative 2 equals negative 4 times the quantity x minus 1. This will become y plus 2 equals, we can solve this using distributive property. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. Negative 4 times negative 1 is positive 4. Okay, so to remove positive 2 in the left side of the equation, we will think of its additive inverse. The additive inverse of positive 2 is negative 2. We will add negative 2 to both sides of the equation because of APE, addition property of equality. This part will be equal to 0. The remaining variable or term in the left side is y. And then on the right side, 4 plus negative 2 is positive 2. This is our equation. Y equals negative 4x plus 2, and this is written in slope-intercept form. If this is written in standard form, the answer will be 4x plus y equals 2. Okay, next we have find the equation of the line passing through the point negative 4, 2 with a slope of negative 3. All you have to do is to find the answer in this given problem. You can use scratch paper to solve, and don't forget to write your answer in the comment section. And that would be all for today. Thank you so much and goodbye.